Good morning, my dear students. I am Jerry Wheeler, your economics teacher for class 12th, and we are learning chapter 2 Aggregates of National Income. So, in our previous video, we have learned about gross value and net value and its related formula. And today we will learn about our second formula. But before going to second formula, first we have to learn some basic aggregates. That is NIT, which is known as net indirect tax. How we will find out net indirect tax? We will find out net indirect tax by subtracting subsidies from indirect tax. Now the questions comes, what is indirect tax? So what is indirect tax? It refers to those taxes which are imposed by the government on the production and sale of goods and services. Like earlier you have heard about indirect taxes like sales tax, excise duty, custom duty and etc. Now after some years these all taxes were converted into one tax, that is known as GST. Now all these taxes are removed and they have given only one name, that is GST, which is full form is goods and services tax. Now what this tax do? This indirect tax what do? It increases the price of the commodity. Suppose that you going to market and you have purchased a product. Suppose that when the producer produce that product, so that cost comes how much? 500 rupees. But when he going to sell this in market, so what he will do? He will add the indirect tax amount also. So earlier the amount which is cost 500, now it will sell at the market at 550 rupees. That extra 50 rupees for indirect tax, or you can say GST. Okay, so tax increases the price of the commodity. Then comes second term, subsidies. Now what is subsidies? You have heard earlier also. Subsidies decrease the value of the, or you can say price of the amount. It refers to the financial assistance, means help, financial help. And who's giving this help? Which is given by the government. To whom? To an enterprise on the production of certain goods and services. Like example, I can say that in India, especially that most common example is LPG gas. You are getting LPG gas around 740 or 720 rupees. Okay, but the actual cost of that LPG is much more than that 720 rupees. Suppose that we can take example, assume that the actual cost of that LPG is how much? 850. How much? 850. And at which price you are getting at which price you are getting at 720. So from where that extra 130 rupees coming? That extra 130 rupees is given by government to, not to us, but to that companies, so that they can take less rupees from us. So subsidy reduces the amount of the commodity. Okay, subsidy help the customer. Now next term is coming factor cost. Factor cost you have heard earlier also. It refers to the amount which paid to the factor of production. If you remember earlier, I have told you circular flow. In that one I have explained clearly that factor production are those factors which help in the production of the product. So we are this what is that cost? This is the cost which we are paying to them, like labor we are paying cost. Okay, so for their contribution in the production process, that is called cost of production, you can say. Then comes market price. It is the price at which we are going to sell the commodity in the market. So it refers to the price at the product is actually sold in the market. So I hope in these two are clear. Now take example. Just see this one. I have purchased a mobile at rupees 20,000. Sorry, not 20,000. There is a mobile which cost is rupees how much? 20,000. That is factor cost. After production, after paying that we have, suppose that I am producer, I have produced a mobile. Okay, then I have taken the cost, that how much rupees I have given to factor cost, that factors of production. How much? 20,000. In that 20,000 I have included my profit also. Now when I am going to sell this mobile at market, so I will not sell at rupees 20,000, but I will add rupees 2,000 for what? GST. Okay, this 2,000 I am taking as like that only. Okay, it can be more or less also. Now I am adding 2,000 more for GST. GST means you can say net indirect tax. We have subtracted the amount of already subsidies here. Okay, now this 2,000 also add in this 20,000. So what happens? The price which was 20,000, it becomes how much? 22,000. As I told you earlier also, tax increases the market price of the goods. So because of the GST, what happened? The price of goods increases. Okay, So what happened? Factor cost plus NIT, net indirect tax, GST, you can say NIT only. When we add the NIT in factor cost, so what it becomes? It becomes the market price, actual market price at which we are going to get this mobile at this amount, okay, 22,000. So how does actual amount come? By adding the GST, or you can say net indirect tax, into factor cost. Same thing, if we have to find out factor cost and we are given market price and NIT, so what we will do? From NIT we can subtract what? Market price, or you can say from market price we can subtract what? NIT. We are having market price from 2000, we can subtract 2000, that is NIT. So what will come? 22,000 minus 2000, 20,000, that is factor cost. So these two formula we have form here. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now see, tax increases the price of the commodity, or subsidy decreases the market price of the commodity, or you can say goods. So because of this we have made new formula, that is factor cost. You can see here this factor cost, okay, factor cost, and downside is what? Market price. If we are having factor cost and we want what? Market price. So what we have to do? We have to add NIT, net indirect tax, okay. And how NIT comes? Net indirect tax minus subsidy, then what we will get? NIT. Now suppose we are having market price, what we are having? Market price, and we want to get what? Factor cost. So what we have to do? We have to subtract NIT, then we got factor cost. So I hope it is clear to you. So it makes formula number 2, factor cost plus NIT equals to market price, and market price minus NIT, it becomes factor cost. This is it for today's class. I hope it is clear to you. So at last I want to say, be safe and God bless you all.